This is a video of the Hunter Infinity ceiling fan in the... Okay, as I've seen before, this is a video of the Hunter Infinity ceiling fan in the living room. And we got another one in the dining room, which I'll make a video of after this one. So this is in my grandparents' house. And I can turn this on low right now.
I'll really try.
And this is actually pretty fast for its size. The Passport 3 might blow the most air, but this thing's faster.
Do you have plans this weekend?
I think it is.
I have plans, but I work. No, I'm not asking you to work. I'm just asking if you have plans. What are you doing on the weekend?
I don't get it.
I'm going to visit my father. How?
Oh, I'm going to the Gold Eyes.
I love James Bond.
It was my baseball team. What about you?
Oh my god, that like that. Follow the lights. Light the fire. Someone else got the 100. Okay, medium now. Two and yeah, it's actually going faster in reality than it is in my video when I'm recording it right now. How fast it's going on camera is going pretty slow on camera, but I'll turn on high and you'll see big difference.
Jack,
Phone is making it brighter. Wait.
Oh, don't walk.
Okay. Sorry about if you had to hear that. My grandma's dog just threw up, and now. Okay. Anyway, here's the Hunter Infinity ceiling fan on high. This one's really good. See if I could possibly, if I zoom in, possibly catch the wind a little bit. I don't know. Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching this video and bye.